Hi friends, this is Sanskriti. How are you doing? Hope everyone is doing well in this corona situation. We know there are many travel restrictions, so we are trying our best to help everyone out there who is about to travel in near future from Delhi airport to Hyderabad airport. Now you can see we are on expressway which is connecting Meerut to Delhi, and Shubham is also traveling with me. Hey Shubham, can you tell me something about this expressway we are going through?
Hi friends, this is Shubham. We are currently in the cab and passing through the most popular Delhi Meerut Expressway. This expressway is quite smooth and there are currently no toll plazas operational on any exit, but these are expected to be operational from July. So better check out when you pass through this expressway whether these are permissible or not. The maximum permissible speed on this expressway is 100 kilometers per hour.
Now we are at the Terminal 3 departure road, and this road is full of greenery as you can see in the view. We are entering the Terminal 3 of the Delhi airport. On the entrance, they are verifying the identification proof, and you have to remove your mask for a while to show your face. One point that actually shocked me was that there are no thermal screening at the entrance, which should have been the main concern. Forget about RT-PCR test report. Before check-in, let's have a pic with this beautiful elephant. We are traveling today by Vistara Airlines, and they have check-in luggage limit of 15 kg per person for economy light passengers, but they allowed us 1 kg extra. On the boarding gate, they provided us a bag which was having a face shield, hand sanitizer, and a mask. Along with all this, a PP kit was also provided to all the passengers who were having the middle seat.
So there is a good thing about the Vistara flights that you get free internet Wi-Fi services where you can watch movies, TV shows and also a live map of the flight which also shows you the speed of the aircraft. This thing only works after you get above 10,000 feet and the URL to get this is blueboxinflight.com. For your reference, I'll also provide the link in the description box as well.
And finally, we arrived Hyderabad. At the exit, there was no thermal screening, and even no one was inquiring about the RT-PCR test reports. We took our check-in baggages and now heading towards the Uber cabs point. We took our cab and are enjoying the beautiful weather and views of the city. Please let us know about your views on our video. If you have any questions or suggestions, then feel free to drop a comment. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.